Hello and welcome to Brick and Board. Today we are taking a look at the project for Miss Ashwini. Located in Bangalore, this beautiful property is built on a plot size of 1200 square feet. As we open the inviting bi-swing doors, we get a cozy view of the living room. At the far end, a staircase leads one to the upper floors. On the ground floor, we have a chef's kitchen. We experience it through the beautiful stained glass door, tinted in earthen colors with a popping green. The wall mural is a unique focal point ornamented using the tile mosaic pattern. The crockery unit is neatly tucked aside in its own place, planned so during the space planning phase. A hand wash and a dining unit are also nested beautifully in these functional corners. We see pretty good faucets in brass finish. They bode well with the overall earthy tones of this home. The granite countertop is easy to work with and easy to clean as well. Moving on, we see a very well planned electrical layout keeping the chandelier in prime focus. On the left of the show unit, we have a bedroom. Carrying on with the earthy tones, we worked with a tile pattern which reflects the vibe, with enough space for a full-size floor-to-ceiling wardrobe and a very good vanity unit. The windows on adjacent walls bring in a cozy breeze, keeping the indoor air quality optimally fresh, bringing this cozy bedroom to life. The bathrooms have a very practical anti-skid tiles and easy-to-maintain CP fittings. The floor-mounted WC and the pedestal sink along with the patterned wall tiles bring that old world charm and energy. The stairwell is lined with terracotta painted artwork. Also, to bring the cozy old world charm, the granite in the stairs are well nosed, making it safe for even rough use. The second bedroom located upstairs also features a full-size wardrobe and a great window, along with an energetic attached bathroom with all the amenities that one could wish to have. Just beside it, we have the third bedroom. Similarly space planned for a large full-sized floor-to-ceiling wardrobe unit with a bathroom in nice cozy nature theme with great greens popping up in CP fittings. Then we have a wonderful terrace/balcony with a wall mural tying up the whole theme together. As a sunshade, we use the traditional Bangalore roof tile on a fabricated metal framework. Marrying the old with the new, this place is great for gardening and some cozy me time. The client loves plants and we made sure to plan well for these needs. One would surely forget oneself amid these plants, and these are very easy to maintain. This complete G+2 structure with the terrace on top is a beautiful building. A beautiful building made into a fabulous, cozy, earthy home. And it was a pleasure designing it.